Today I'm going to show you how to create a settings icon easily in Figma using a plugin, even if you've never used Iconify before. This is a super quick workflow that can save you time when you need clean, consistent icons for app designs, dashboards, websites, or UI mockups. Instead of drawing the icon manually, you can pull it directly into your Figma file in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Figma tips and design tutorials. Alright, let's jump into it. First, open your design file in Figma and make sure you're inside the canvas where you want the icon to appear. At the bottom toolbar, look for the Actions icon. This is where Figma keeps a lot of useful tools, plugins, and shortcuts. Click on that. Actions icon to open the menu. Once the menu appears, select Plugins and Widgets. This will take you to the area where you can search for and run plugins directly inside Figma. Now in the search bar, type Iconify. Iconify is one of the most popular icon libraries for Figma because it gives you access to thousands of icons across different styles all in one place. After you find it, click to run the plugin. When Iconify opens, you'll see a search field. In that search bar, type settings, and then press enter on your keyboard. This will filter the icon results and show you different settings icon options. You may see a few variations, so pick the one that best matches your design style. Once you've found the icon you want, simply drag and drop it onto your Figma canvas. That's it. The icon is now in your design and you can resize it, recolor it, or position it wherever you need. You can also copy it into other frames if you're building a full interface. This is such an easy method for adding icons fast without leaving Figma or wasting time searching online for SVG files. And if you want to build faster in Figma, using plugins like Iconify is one of the best habits you can develop. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Figma tutorials, and comment below if you want more quick design workflows like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.